Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Dr. Ruby Gill, and I'm honored to welcome you all on the behalf of lovely professional university. So, Teddies, I know you might be wondering the reason of gathering virtually. So, let me reveal the reason to you and tell you something about today's webinar. We are going to have an incredible session with our experts today, as he is going to tell us all about new age specializations in computer science engineering at LPU. So I'm sure you are as excited as I am for today's learning process. So kindly allow me to introduce the expert of the day, Dr. Robin Prakash Mathur, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and Technology, Lovely Professional University. An intellectual personality with a demonstrated history of working in education management industry from past 12 years. Doctorate in mobile cloud computing. He is engaging classes of UG and PG level of engineering and teaching subjects like W, big data analytics, big data mining and data warehousing, database management, SQL, DBA, operating systems, Linux lab, information storage and management, and MIS. To his credit, he has published more than 21 research papers, which include Scopus Journals, IEEE Scopus Conference, Sprinter Conference, and UGC. He has mentored 18 master's dissertation as well. So, sir, it's a privilege to have you on board with us today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
So with this, we'll begin our today's webinar. So over to you, sir, and looking forward for a great interactive session.
Thank you, Ruby, ma'am. It's my honor to be here in this webinar. As we know that this webinar is about the topic New Age Specializations in Computer Science Engineering at the rate LPU. So just to give a brief elaborate like what we are able to discuss in the coming half an hour or 45 minutes, I will just put some light on the various aspects, like where the CSE is right now, and as a LPU, what courses we are offering. So this is a new age of specialization. There are so much happening around the tech. Students are moving towards the career in computer science and engineering. And with the time has passed upon, new opportunities are growing in this field. As you see in the screen, there are various specializations which are related to the tech related fields like data science, software methodologies and testing, mean stack web development. If I just elaborate this mean word, it is like MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, Node.js. So it's like a complete set of techniques, methods which are used for the web development. Then we have machine learning and artificial intelligence, again one of the important vertical nowadays, cybersecurity and cloud computing. As we see some stats of recent time about like what things are going in the market right now, there are different rankings which are coming across, like skill rankings and proficiency levels. So as a country, India has moved very fast. We have developed a lot of skills in last few years, but it's still like once we see the data, somehow we lag in the specialized skills like data science or you can say finance and all. Still we have lagging as per the data that is available to us. So as we see in the business ranking, India is about 62, in technology it is 56, in data science it is 76. And somehow we just get down 11th rank in business. In technology, obviously, we just rise up in 6th value, and in data science, we again drop to 12. So there are different aspects to see this particular data. Point is, like, can we develop much more specialized skills that will lead India in, you can say, developed countries in coming years? Yes, we can, and platforms like LPU and like the other renowned universities in the country helps the youth to develop such skills, and you can say they get the graduation degree as you can say proper manner, and they're able to deliver this to the industry, what requirements industries is having. So skill proficiency held steady, but data science skill lagged behind. And as a learner in India, we concentrated on the financial skills. We should also know the fact that around the world, like the major companies like Twitter, Amazon, Alphabet, like Google, their CEOs are Indian born. And once we see the major companies in India like Geo, Infosys, and TCS, they all like are like one of the renowned companies in the world. And you can say they make the India proud at the global level. Now, what are the career opportunities? If I just develop, I can say present it point by point, the career opportunities which are available in the data science field is somewhat like a student or the learner can forward their career as a data scientist, data architect, database administrator, data analyst, business analyst, analytics manager, business intelligence manager. So these are the different job profiles which a student or the learner can go ahead once he get the degree in this particular, or you can say a series of courses in a particular sequence. What are the industrial applications of data science? Data science is best tool for decision making. At the end, we should understand like what we are doing all these you can say hard work. This is all just for a single word like decision making we are working upon. So it is widely used in industries for target advertising and retargeting, recommendation systems. Like all of us use Amazon and Flipkart, and also we normally see there are some recommendations which are coming down the site. So all these things are basically one of an outcome of one of the outcome of the data science. Image recognition, speech recognition, gaming, price comparisons. You are using a different type of tourism websites and all. All such websites are using data science in the background. Further, like air route planning, fraud and risk detection, and self-driving cars. Then when we move ahead in the next vertical, that is about career opportunities in software methodologies and testing, one can pursue their career as software tester, software test engineer, and quality assurance analyst. So these are some of the promising profiles which a student or a learner can get after getting a specialized degree in the software methodologies. Then there are certain career opportunities in mean stack web development. Once I speak about the web development aspect, then we have a combination of different you can say tools. Here it is like MongoDB, Express, AngularJS, Node.js. So one can be like a mean stack trainer, mean stack web developer, web designer, and they can start their own venture by becoming an entrepreneur. So you just take a project as a freelancer and just start your career with the small steps, and then you can start your own company. What are the industrial application of this? Like you can publish some websites, you can use it for advertising, e-commerce, social networking sites, and websites. So all these things need the web development as one of the primitive steps. Then we have another vertical, that is career opportunities in machine learning. So as a machine learning engineer, what are the career opportunities available with us? We can go as a software engineer, we can go as a software developer, business intelligence developer, data scientist, computational linguist, human-centered machine learning designer. So these are some of the main, you can say, job prospects which a machine learning engineer or machine learning learner can move forward. There are certain industrial applications of machine learning. It can be in finance, healthcare, traveling, social media, natural language processing, retail, automation, pipelining, smart agriculture, academic, personalized recommendations. So these are some of the fields where machine learning is very strongly used nowadays. Cybersecurity. This is one of the most interesting or fascinating thing that catch the attention of the students or the learners nowadays. Once we speak about the cyber world, securing it is a major challenge. So there are job roles like cybersecurity consultants, penetration tester, malware analyst, cyber threat management, cyber intelligence analyst, information security analyst, and as a freelancer, you can also do the cybersecurity jobs. There are certain industrial applications like where we as a cybersecurity expert can go forward, like in intelligence agencies. in government in India, we have different intelligence agencies like CBI, RAW, IB. These people do require the cyber experts. Defense, armed forces in India, or maybe in foreign also, automation systems, retail, banking, IoT, Internet of Things, automotive sectors, e-commerce, everywhere where there's an internet, we have to secure it. And in that case, we require the cybersecurity professionals. Now, as a computer science engineering department in LPU, what we offer, like what are the platforms where we where we can develop our skills. So with the help of these options, one can develop these skills in LPU. For example, we offer normal regular programs which do offer these skill sets. Then we have work integrated programs, honor programs with industry collaborations, industry collaborative programs, international credit transfer programs. So these are some of the ways through which one can develop these skills when they are living in LPU. So coming from one by one, like once I speak about the work integrated job assurance program. So in LPU, we offer some specialized program like BTech CSC software product design in tie-up with Kalvi. So there are certain benefits. Once we run in some tie-ups, there are some benefits of it. So what are the benefits? Once we speak about Kalvi, it is like approx 50% of curriculum will be delivered by current or ex-industry practitioners. Work integration in 6 semesters out of 8 semesters, and we create future leaders who will just work in the industry with the real-time problems. And the salary, once we speak about the salary, it is like 3 times the average salary in comparison with regular graduates. So these are some of the plus points when somebody go ahead with the tie-up program like BTech CSE software design with Kalvi. Then move it towards the next, that is BTech CSE AI and data engineering in tie-up with FutureIns. Again, 50% of the curriculum will be delivered by current or ex-industry practitioners. Then we have a structured learning path here. Like all the curriculum which is defined is in proper structure. So first year, second year we go with data engineering. In third year we go with machine learning engineering, and final year we'll have AI engineering. It's have minimum of 12-month internship for each student over the courses of degree program with total stipend payout of approx INR 2 lakh rupees. This is again one of the benefit here, and most important is the placement assurance for candidate with package of 12 lakhs per annum. Then we move towards the next thing, that is honor programs with industry collaboration. So we have BTech CSE honors program that normally runs with the industry collaboration. In LPU, we have tie-up with one of the best brands on this industry, that is TransURG, CompTIA, and Geeks for Geeks. So see, as a CSE, we do offer programs like BTech Honors, CSE Data Science and Data Engineering in tie-up with TransURG, BTech Honors, CSE Cybersecurity and Blockchain in tie-up with CompTIA. CompTIA is one of the famous names in terms of cybersecurity in India or international, you can say, platform. Then we have BTech Honors, BTech CSE Honors, Full Stack Software Development in tie-up with Geeks for Geeks. So these 3 platforms, here's the student to go with the industry-based programs, and it offers the honors program here. So what are the benefits of this? Once somebody is obtaining these programs, honors programs, he will have a specialization in industry certifications. As honors students, they will be given seed money. With that, they can start their own ventures, startups, courses by industry experts. So what are the courses we are teaching to the students are mostly done by the industry experts, boot camps, and Code Fest. So all these global platforms like Hackathon, CodeChef, ReadCode, and all, like students will participate in these events, and somehow they these honors programs support these platforms also. As I already discussed about the seed money which is given in the honors program, so 20,000 rupees per student is given as a seed money for designing software programs, mobile apps. And once you're successful in that, a student can also avail 2 lakh to 5 lakh per project or startup entrepreneur ventures. That is like up to 10,000 seed money can be given to students for innovation research activities. So these are some of the monetary benefits which as a university we are giving to the honors students. Then is industry mentors. So students will have one-to-one mentoring with the industry people. There's well-structured short-term intense training program. Boot camps are there. Students will participate in national and international competitions like datathons. Boot camps and performance in competitions may result in curriculum credits. And obviously, there are some industry attachment internships, like multiple internship and attachment opportunities are there once we are going with the honors program in the CSE. Like as I say, specialization industry certifications, the 30% of the courses are like 12 to 16% of the courses are specialized courses. 40% courses by industry experts, 3 to 4 industry live projects. These are some of the certificates we are giving, like Tableau Desktop Certified Associate, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, Google Professional Engineering Certifications, Cloudera based certificates, and Associate Certified Analytics Professionals ACAP. These are some of the certificates which are being offered once you opt for the BTech Honors Program. Again, just highlighting some of the main points. Once we had say that honors programs is running with Trans.org, it is focusing more about the data science and data engineering. Data science is somewhat, it's like an intersection of the various domains, whether it's like computer science, maths and statistics, domain-based or business knowledge. CompTIA is one of the famous name in terms of cybersecurity. They do work on the IoT securities, you can say cyber physical infrastructure, private messaging, DNS, probing softwares and all. So on these platforms like blockchain securities, CompTIA is very famous, and we do have a tie-up program with this. Then we have a full stack software development honors, like which is running with the Geeks for Geeks. Then industry collaboration programs. This is third platform which we offer to the students. We do have tie-up with Google Cloud. We have tie-up with Zibia, ImagineXP, IBM, Upgrade. So with these companies, international companies, we do run our BTech specializations. Like we support the fields like cloud computing, DevOps, UI UX, big data analytics, data science, and machine learning. So as you can see on the screen, these specializations are running in tie-up with these global companies, and we are providing one of the best curriculum that industry is requiring right now in the, you can say, in their job opportunities. So one of the, what are the best advantages, like real life industry projects, personalized mentorship and doubt solving problems, specialization certificates, making students industry ready. This is most important point here. Once we speak about these industry based tie-up, we are trying to make students industry ready, rather than a student will join the company and you can say make him train there. It is like once they are clearing this 4 years, like once they are passing out with a degree, they are just ready to get inside the projects and all. This is one of the best thing once we speak about the industry type, industry ready students. Then we have international credit transfer options, which is like 2+2. It means like initial 2 years in LPU, like you can continue your studies in India, and once you are in third year, you just opt some foreign universities which is tied with the LPU, and you can go and continue your next 2 years in the foreign universities. So it's like a start with LPU and finish with an international degree. It is cost effective because out of 4 years, 2 years in India you are living, and 2 years you are going in foreign universities and also earning the foreign degree. Settle abroad, permanent residency. Once you have the foreign university degree, it's quite probable that you got job opportunity there. So one can go there and get settled in the foreign land. We have work permit. We just do work with the students for work permit also. Now coming to the regular programs that as a department we offer, there are certain courses like data structure, data structures and algorithm, computer organization architecture, database management, computer networks, software engineering, operating system, programming in Java. So these are some of the fundamental courses. Once we speak about CSE, these are some of the fundamental courses. These are the pillars on which the entire computer science engineering is standing. Based upon this, we also teach the you can say the modern subjects or the on-demand subjects of the industry like machine learning, cloud computing, big data, data science, cybersecurity, IoT, and all. So these courses are being taught here as a CSE students also. Now, what are the career pathways at LPU? Uh, this is something which is a very catchy thing, career. So career is something which doesn't mean only that you have a job. As a university, we feel that if a student is going for corporate job, government job, higher studies, research, entrepreneurship, study abroad, these are the various career pathways which a student move forward after the 4 year of their degree in the LPU. So once a student is settled in one of these pathways, we assume that the students just have clear cut mindset, like where they have to move forward. So these are some of the career opportunities. These are the career pathways on which we, as a university, we support our students. Uh, Once we see our past data, we do feel very proud that our students have got very good placements in past years. They make the university proud, and they worked very hard to reach the best positions in the industry. Now, once we see the industries in almost all the companies, once we see one of our alumni is working, as a faculty also, I do feel proud that our students are really doing good in the industry placements. These are some of the milestones of 2022 graduation batch, which just like last few months back, the student has passed out. Some of the stats that we are presenting you: 400 plus recruiters visited in, you can say, LPU, where top MNCs and Fortune 500 companies were there. The highest package that a student got was a 62.72 lakh per annum. 3,500 offers generated during pandemic. So during the pandemic, when the entire world was locked down, our students were doing internships, were getting the placement offers, they were doing work from home from their homes. This is one of the best things. So 3,500 offers we were able to achieve during the pandemic time. And this is all because of the hard work of the students and faculty members in the campus. 110 plus recruiters of IITs, IIMs, NITs also recruit LPU students. So this is not like whatever the companies we are getting this only in the LPU. These renowned companies do visit one of the best institutions in the India, like IITs, IIMs, and NITs also. 300 plus companies offer dream CTC of 5 lakh per annum and above. This is some of the stats. You can visit the website lpu.in, and you can see the tagline of LPU is a think big. So we believe that if you think big, then you can go with the big goals. These are some of the logos. You can just visit on the page. These are some prominent recruiters which visited our campus and hired the students, like Amazon, Adobe, Nasdaq, Bosch, Siemens, Capgemini, Cognizant, JustPay, SCL, Virtusa, Infosys, Tech Systems, VMware, SCL, TCS, Tech Mahindra, and the list is quite big. So you can see, just have a glimpse of these companies which have visited our campus to hire the students. Uh, as an institution, as a university, we do have academic alliance tie-ups with the companies. We do have tie-ups with Google. We have Center of Excellence for Mobile App Development. We do have tie-up with Microsoft. We do have tie-up with Cisco, CompTIA, VMware, Pega, Oracle University, Salesforce, Automation Anywhere, Dell EMC. So with these global platforms, as industry, we do have a tie-up. Beside the normal teaching, we do believe that massive open online courses also support the student growth. So as a university, we do have professional tie-ups with the MOOC platforms like Swayam, which is a government-owned, Indian government-owned platform for the online learning, NPTEL, Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, eBox, Simply Learn. So these MOOCs platforms are there with the university. Then we have other organizations also where university is having tie-up, like IEEE, and as a CSE we have tie-up with IEEE, IET, and Computer Society of India. So these are some of the points where I'll just go through in past few minutes. I hope this session was a bit useful for all the listeners who are just attending this session. So that's all from my side. I'm just going back to the panelist. If you have any questions, you the questions are welcome from my side.
Thank you so much, sir. This was quite an impactful presentation. You have bounded us with your visionary thoughts, and I'm sure, attendees, you must have upgraded your skills by the inputs and learning shared by our expert today. So thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir, we have few queries from the attendees. So with your permission, we'll take up those queries, sir.
Yes, yeah.
All right. So there is a query from Y. Santosh Yathamurthy. He wants to know that which is the best to choose, CSC core or specialization.
See, it's your choice at the end. As at admissions, I never say to my students, "Ki you go with a space, like go with a core or a specialization." Yes, what I can guide is once I opt for some specialization courses, it is having some extra stars. Stars means you have some extra in your bag to carry upon, which may not be carried by a normal degree program, because as I already discussed, we have tie-ups with industry-based programs. They are like curriculum is like 30 to 40% it is curriculum is based upon the industry. Their industry experts are teaching you directly in the classes. They take you to for the internships, better placement opportunities. So obviously the programs which are having the tie-ups, they have an edge over the core programs of the BTech CSE.
Thank you so much, sir. So there is another query by Vishwesh Arvadya. He wants to know that how to get for 2+2 abroad course right now as he is in BTech CSC course.
Can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Sir, the query is the student is right now doing BTech CSC course. He wants to join 2+2 abroad course. So is
So
he eligible?
he's in LPU. He's in LPU.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, the student can speak to the admission department, and once a student is moving in the third year, there is some minimum requirement to move for the foreign university. Like you have to manage some minimum CGPA. There should be like no backlogs or reappears. So there are certain conditions. If you are meeting those conditions, one can opt for those programs as well. So better you please consult your head of school or admission team regarding this.
Thank you so much, sir. So we'll take up last but not the least query. Sir, the student name Mamta, she wants to know that is she her percentage is below 60%. So is she eligible for the program for BTech CSC?
I don't think so. Please check the eligibility page on the university website. If whatever the university minimum requirement for a particular course is, you just go to the university website, the program list, and if the minimum requirement is 60% for certain programs, so you have to meet those conditions, and above which you can also go with the LPU NEST examination. Like the university entrance exams, like once you qualify those exams, then you can get inside the university campus.
Absolutely. So
You
attendees,
have to
as
go.
sir was saying
Yes.
to you that you can visit our university website, that is www.lpu.in, and there you can get all the all the information, the eligibility criteria, the important dates, fees, scholarship, each and everything which you want to know about your academics, your curriculum, that is there on our website. And if you want to reach us, you can visit our university, as well as you can contact us on the website. Contact numbers they are shared with you. You can WhatsApp us, you can email us, as well as you can do the video counseling with our counselors. So yes, each and every facility is available. If you have any kind of confusion, you can visit our site, and you can email us, call us, video call us, or WhatsApp us. We will resolve the query. So yes, sir, we'll take up another query, and that is query again from the follow-up question from Vishwesh. He wants to know that is there any extra fees for 2+2 program?
Yes, there is a fees, extra fees. The fees structure is a bit different for that 2+2 program, because once you are going for the foreign university, you have to pay the expenses and the fees are quite like it's different from the campus that we have. So again, I request you to please visit the website. And there's a fees difference. Obviously, there's a fees difference between the LPU fees, which is for 4 years, and that is 2+2. So somehow you have to pay the fees for the foreign university also. And that may be a bit less compared to like the complete program if you are going earlier, because right now you have already completed 2 years of your degree in India. So as you compare for all the 4 years or all the bachelor degree, obviously the costing will be much less. So I request you to please visit the LPU website for all the fees details there. But there's a fees difference. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, we'll take up last but not the least query from Rajesh Gupta. He wants to know that books will be available from the department? This is an incomplete question, sir. Can you throw some light on
Uh,
this about the book?
yes. Yes. So once you join the BTech CSE program or whatever the program you join in the university, in a particular term, there are some list of courses. So every course or every subject is having a syllabus. The syllabus do have the textbook and reference book at the bottom, like of the document. So as a department, as a university, we do have very well developed libraries, or like we have central libraries and all. As a department, we don't give books directly, if I say. Rather, you just read one of the best books. All the books are available in the library. You can visit the libraries. You can get it issued from the library, and if whatever book you like, you can purchase at your own level.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for resolving all the queries of our attendees. And attendees, as we have mentioned earlier, you can, if there is any kind of confusion you have, you can visit us, or you can visit our website, that is www.lpu.in, for all the information. So thank you so much, sir, for resolving all the queries of our attendees and giving us such a wonderful information. And with this, we'll conclude today's webinar. Attendees, that's all for today. Thank you for sparing time and participating in this webinar. We appreciate you all for being here, and I believe your knowledge has been enriched by this webinar. Also, I would like to express my appreciation to the experts for their valuable contributions, sir. I'm sure your years of research, your years of experience will definitely help the audience to choose the right path. So until next time, I, Ruby Gill, finally sign off the session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.